is just filled with his hair. It flies throughout the air. It travels all throughout the. It's filled.
I keep it up, and getting it groomed really helps, but he's a hairball.
It forces an official to make a decision. That's a nice play. Like it's showing. It's a great play. And really, Cousins could have done. I know he was running around back there, but it looked like he could have been able to get the first down. He just didn't go in the right direction. Mike Ferrer, our news analyst, watching to the yard. Hope it was back to punt. Maybe if they weren't set. That looks like. Are the Vikings going to change things here? Because that was a Bears timeout. And on fourth down, they've gone quite a bit. It doesn't look how clear it's been. And you see the numbers. Better than 500 converting. Well, this is a big one here, down 10. Even though they do get the ball, or would get the ball, they're starting the second half. We still have almost 6 minutes remaining before the half.
He didn't get it.
That is an outstanding job from the guys up front for the Chicago Bears. Outstanding. Nicholas and Jenkins. And they're big. But there wasn't any running room. Dalvin Cook on fourth and less than a yardage. Where is this man? The Bear defense was better. Chicago takes over on down. Still a few things America importance of speed, hard work, to get from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. Put a hybrid engine in the all-new F-150 that works as hard as it does smart. Then reimagine the Bronco as an off-road.
This year we got it done, and with free curbside pickup at Walmart, you can get the perfect gift. Up and cheap. Our extended release melatonin helps you fall asleep and stay asleep. Featuring the #1 pharmacist recommended vitamin and supplement brand.
This holiday at T-Mobile, it's not about how far apart we are. It's about how close we can be. So we're bringing out our best deal on the new iPhone 12 with 5G on every plan. Right now, get the iPhone 12 on us on every single plan. Switch now and save 20% on your bill versus the other. And save 20% per month. It's time to holiday on. It's time for T-Mobile. Tow your car. You can't see me.
It's down. Let's end the year enjoying
Aaron Henry is the 4th-ranked Spartans. Against the 12th-ranked Badgers. Christmas Day at noon Eastern on Fox. Today's game is sponsored by Ford. Built Ford Proud. So Dalvin Cook, by the way, he carried only 44 yards rushing. He's still averaging almost 4.5 a carry, just not getting as many attempts as usual. Meanwhile, Montgomery is averaging over 5. He has that touchdown run for the Bears. Ryan Mullins in with Montgomery on a 3rd and 3. Trubisky from the pocket. He makes a great play, a great pass breakup right there for his team to eventually eliminate the possibility of adding 6 points. Jairo Santos trying to keep his streak alive. He's already hit one earlier. 35 yards away, and the streak continues. 20 in a row for a guy signed when Eddie Pinheiro was injured back in August, and there was some raised eye. Viking defense digs in, but they trail now, 27. You don't become a 117-year-old up.
You're getting those angles, cameraman.
Explosive plays happen when he gets to the edge. Vildor to come in to help. Also, Buster Screen remains out with the concussion. Safety, Deion Bush, probably with his foot inactive. Still got some games to go to add on to that impressive first season. And with the backfield was Cook. Getting the first down to around the 36. There's Gawd Cook that takes us to the 2-minute warning. Each team with a timeout.
We can help. Nintendo Switch for Mom. How are these broken up?
Carol's family uses Game Flings now, so their laundry smells more amazing than ever. Hey, deeeetail.
Allow Nichols big move at the 25. Dalvin Cook couldn't get going to Shelley. Made the play as a flag down at the 17-yard line. Cowboy. Dallas is leading San Francisco by 3. As they are at the 2-minute warning. What game on Monday night? Lamar Jackson, the Ravens put out against Baker Mayfield. The Browns, that was fun. You look at it, he's left center down from the 20 of Chicago. Pressure coming. Cousins gets rid of it. Even there, it looked like he had a chance to get rid of it earlier. He's holding the football, and it's allowing them to put heat on. Well, if the Bears can get pressure with just their front four, it's typically going to be because Kirk Cousins is holding onto the ball. And this is what he does. And this is, you got to live and die with it. Because he holds onto the ball, he allows his receivers to create separation, get down the field, get open, but it also comes with a cost. Dalvin Cook gets the first down. Man, when you need 10, you just give it to him, and Eddie Jackson eventually. In the vicinity of Jefferson, he typically comes down with it. Yeah, they give him credit for the 50-50 ball. You know, the Jefferson comes down with it. He's 6'1", but if that was just a notch below, he almost was able to get a hand on that one and bring it in. And now 3rd and goal. Pressure coming. Cousins out of the pocket. He fakes and incomplete.
He escapes the pocket, and you think he's going to run, but he pump fakes and gives Smith an opportunity, and he just drops the ball.
Yeah, Smith should have had it after further review on that. That should have been caught. So a great effort.
Oh, blow it out.
Zimmer sticks
There
with
you
his
go.
man, and the extra effort put in this week gets him 3.
Well, you love to see that. I don't care who you are across the league. You don't like to see guys go in a slump mentally. We know he can kick the ball, and it just feels good. I know he made an extra point.
Sharp with the touchdown toss. Montgomery has a touchdown run to the Vikings trailing at the moment. Let's head to the Verizon halftime.
For the Washington football team, but it's Russell Wilson, Seattle defense. Hollister in the back of the end zone, the 10-yard touchdown. 13-3 Seattle on top of the Washington football team. Tom Brady and the Bucs looking to stay in the playoff hunt, but it is all Atlanta. Then gets hit as he throws, picked off by J.C. Jackson in the end zone. Stephon Gilmore had to leave his football game at halftime with a apparent leg injury. It's New England 6-0 over the Miami Dolphins. Lions are at the Tennessee Titans in Nashville. Hank Williams Jr., Grand Ole Opry. Play action, Howie. Set it up. Guy throws a gorgeous deep ball. I'm talking about Ryan Tannehill.
He does.
Corey Davis, that's a corner right down. Fake the post, go back to the outside. Beautiful job. 75 out of this game for the Cowboys with a calf injury. Andy Dalton turning out to be quite a sign, I think, by the 49ers.
All right, let's get back to the Vikings hosting Chicago. And Howie, Mitchell Trubisky may be playing the Bears right back in the playoff race.
Boy, it's a shocker. I mean, Mitch has played well, particularly here on the road versus the Minnesota Vikings. I think I'm happy for him. Here hits Allen Robinson 24 yards on the sideline. Beautiful throw. His #1 receiver. Here on a boot, he's under initial pressure, adjusts the boot, throws the ball down.
Fine, say all these bad things about me, but give me a second shot. He's taking advantage.
I don't know that they wanted to give him a second shot.
Well,
and this is like watching TED Talks. Listening to you.
Yeah,
Seriously, this is like
That boy was good. I'm sorry.
Oh, love you.
Yeah, you gotta get that face on camera. It was made for camera. I'm just saying. Couldn't do this without you, Rob. Couldn't do it without you.
I love the shot. People don't believe me. You tell this man nothing.
Oh no.
The entertainment is real in the shot, man.
Ooh, I just look so good. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. It can't get no better than this. Can't get no better than this.
I'm taking. They going. That's what you saying. They going.
Yeah, buddy.
They going. I mean, they going. I don't care what the hell they going.
Weekdays at 7 on NFL Network.
Well, this Friday we got a special Christmas present for you as the Minnesota Vikings take a sleigh ride into New Orleans to face the Saints. It's going to be a jolly old time, so make sure you spend it with us starting at 3:30 Eastern Time, 12:30 Pacific, Christmas Day, right here on Fox.